Hi everyone, it's Femi Olaniyan here and welcome to another episode of Finance for 20s. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 valuable strategies that can help you achieve financial success early in your 20s. So whether you are just starting out or you are looking to optimize your current financial plan, this advice will set you on the right path. So buckle up and let's dive into the video. But before that, kindly like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Number 1 is start saving early. Now, the importance and value of this statement cannot be overstated or overemphasized. The habit of saving early has been part of me from a young age and is a practice I've carried with me throughout my life. Now, among the important strategies one could adopt is to take control of their financial life by instilling the habit of saving from an early age. Now, no matter the amount, whether it's a significant sum or not, the crucial aspect is the act of saving itself. Now, this consistent practice of setting money aside is a skill that will not only help you accumulate an impressive financial reserve over the years, but will also cultivate a disciplined, proactive approach towards managing your finances. It's also important to remember that time can be your most powerful asset when it comes to financial growth. And you need to also know that the earlier you start saving, the more time your savings have to multiply and flourish, reaping the benefit of the power of compound interest. And by starting early, you are giving your savings the best possible chance to grow, using time to your advantage and allowing the magic of compounding interest to work in your favor. This way, you are not just working for your money, but your money is also working for you. Number 2 is to learn a skill. Now, in this digital age, possessing a high income skill can exponentially increase your earning potential and open up new opportunities for you. Now, this skill could be anything from technical parts such as coding or software development to more creative sides such as digital marketing, graphic design, and so on. Now, the crucial factor here is to choose a skill that is not only high in demand in the current market, but also aligns with your personal interests and your career aspirations, ensuring that it can potentially create a reliable and lucrative source of income for you. And it's also important to remember that when you make the effort to invest in your skills, you are essentially investing in yourself and in your future. Now, this form of self-investment often yields the highest return on any investment, not just in terms of tangible financial growth, but also in terms of career progression and overall personal development. By continually improving and adding to your skill set, you are enhancing your value in the job market and setting yourself up for success in the long run. Number 3 is to network intentionally. Now, building a strong professional network is a crucial element of financial success. This means actively seeking out connections and relationships with individuals and groups who can provide you with valuable insights, advice, and opportunities. Now, the process of networking is not merely about attending events that are designed for this purpose. Rather, it's about being strategic and intentional in your choice of who you connect with and how you nurture and maintain these relationships over time. Now, this could involve targeted effort to reach out to people who are prominent in your desired industry, becoming an active member of relevant professional organizations, or even leveraging the power of social media platforms to establish connections with individuals who share similar professional interests. Now, it's also important to remember that your network can serve as a gateway to opportunities that you might never come across in your typical professional environment. So network intentionally and always remember that the value of a strong professional network often goes beyond its immediate financial benefits. It can also provide personal growth, increased knowledge, and a broader perspective of your industry, which in turn can contribute significantly to your overall career progression and success. Number 4 is to live below your means. Now, this piece of advice is often misunderstood. Now, it does not mean that you have to deprive yourself of some things or that you sacrifice all your desires and your comfort. Instead, it's all about making smart and thoughtful decisions that will prioritize your long-term financial journey instead of your short satisfaction. Now, it means that you should prioritize spending money on the things that will add value to your financial growth. Now, this is an approach that encourages you to steer clear of unnecessary debt that can potentially bury you under a lot of interest and financial stress. Now, this doesn't mean that you have to forgo the things you love, but it does mean that you need to prioritize and carefully manage your expenses. Now, the objective here is to ensure that your expenses are comfortably lower than your income. This isn't all about saving small amounts of money, but rather about understanding the value of money and ensuring that you make prudent decisions about when and where you spend it. Now, this way you can save and invest the difference, thereby building wealth over time and creating a shield for unforeseen financial emergencies. Now, in a nutshell, living below your means is less about limiting your life pleasures and more about securing your financial future. Number 5 is to establish clear financial goals. Now, the foundation of any successful financial plan is to establish clear and achievable financial goals. Now, these goals are incredibly personal and will likely vary greatly based on your individual life goals. Now, perhaps you dream of one day purchasing your own house, not just any house, but your dream home, a place where you can put down your roots, build a life, and create memories. This is a significant financial goal that will require careful planning and disciplined saving. And if your goal is to kickstart your own business or go into early retirement, you also need to have a plan on how you want to achieve it. So regardless of the nature of your financial goals, the important thing is that they are clearly defined. Now, having a clear understanding of what you are working towards can serve as a powerful motivator. It can inspire you to save more diligently, spend more wisely, and invest with greater intent. In doing so, you will be putting yourself on the path towards financial success. In conclusion, financial success in your 20s is achievable if you are willing to apply the strategies I've discussed in these videos. Remember that financial success is not about how much you are earning, but how well you manage and utilize your resources. It's a journey and not a destination. So start your journey today and make your 20s the decade where you lay a strong foundation for your financial future. Thank you for watching this episode of Finance for 20s, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you want to learn the 6 investing mistakes to avoid in your 20s, click on the video showing on your screen right now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.